This video walks you through how to find test API keys in a Stripe sandbox. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are in, take a moment to make sure you are working in the sandbox or in test mode. This part matters because Stripe provides separate keys for testing and for live transactions, and the test keys are the ones used for development and safe trial runs. If your dashboard is already open, look for the indicator that shows whether you are in a testing environment. You want to confirm that before you open the API key section so you do not end up copying a live key by mistake. After that is set, move to the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Scroll down through the left-hand navigation until you find Developers. Click Developers to open the Developer Settings area. This section includes the tools and credentials connected to your Stripe integrations, and it is where Stripe keeps the API keys for both test and live environments. Once you are inside Developers, select the API Keys tab. When that page loads, look for the section labeled Standard Keys. That is the section you need for this process. In the Standard Keys area, Stripe displays two main credentials for the current mode you are using. The first is the publishable key. In a Stripe sandbox, this key begins with pk_test followed by additional characters. The second is the secret key. In a Stripe sandbox, this one begins with sk_test followed by additional characters. You do not need to read the full value on screen. You only need to identify which key matches the part of your application or testing environment you are setting up. Copy the key you need from that section. If you are connecting Stripe on the front end of your application, use the publishable key. That key is meant for client-side use. If you are configuring Stripe on the back end, use the secret key instead. The secret key should only be used in your server-side environment and should not be placed in front-end code. If the secret key is partially hidden in the dashboard, use the available reveal or copy option provided by Stripe rather than trying to retype it manually. That helps avoid copying errors. It is also a good idea to double-check that the key prefix still shows test mode, either pk_test or sk_test, before you paste it into your project. After copying the correct key, place it into the part of your application or test setup where that credential is required. Keep the publishable key for front-end use and the secret key for back-end use only, so the integration matches Stripe's intended setup. Your Stripe Sandbox test API keys are now located and ready to use in the correct environment.